welcome back everyone. You may be having some issues with your HDMI port on your PlayStation 4. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons as always, but the first thing I'd recommend doing is to actually make sure that your PlayStation 4's HDMI port is fully functional and your TV's or monitor's HDMI port is functional as well. So by doing this, what I would recommend doing is to actually test out your HDMI cord and try plugging it into a different device that may need a HDMI, such as a laptop, Apple TV, Xbox, whatever you have. And if that seems to be working, then your monitor may be fine. And I would also try checking out your HDMI port against another console and seeing if that works, because you don't want a fried HDMI cord, which could happen sometimes. So if that ends up happening, what you may have to do is replace that HDMI cord. Now let's say that doesn't seem to be the issue. Well, what I would recommend doing is actually looking inside of your HDMI port of your PlayStation 4 and seeing if there are any, like dust or debris or anything like that stuck inside of that port. There can be times where randomly that type of situation can happen, and you may want to go ahead and grab something like a cotton swab or maybe like a toothpick or something very gentle, and you want to kind of pry the inside of it very, very gently. You don't want to go super hard inside of it, and what you want to do then is to actually see if that cord is actually, and then you want to go ahead and try plugging in that cord again to that PlayStation 4 and then plugging the other end to your monitor and see if that fixes it then. If that's fixed, then that's really all you had to do. However, there can still be some times where this may not work, and in this specific situation, I would actually recommend looking at your monitor and making sure you're in the right input for your specific TV and your PlayStation 4. You would not believe how many times people just think that the TV will automatically detect it. There are a lot of TVs that do that, but if you have an older TV, you may have to go ahead and actually manually change that specific input. So go ahead and take your monitor and change the input of that device, and that may end up fixing it for you as well. If that fixed it, then you are set. If that still doesn't fix it, another thing I'd recommend doing is unplugging everything from your PlayStation 4, going through, letting it sit there for a little bit, and then going ahead and actually enabling it once more and seeing if that, and then going ahead and plugging everything back in and see if that fixed it then. If that fixed it, then you're set. That still doesn't fix it, you may have to contact Sony support and have them take a look at your PlayStation 4 because there may be an issue with your specific console. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.